all aware, Future Assured program is what Her Excellency and all the members of the staff and management of the Future Assured program are doing, giving service to humanity, helping the helpless, voicing out for the voiceless, and honestly doing whatever it takes for everybody to be happy and for our nation to be a greater country once again. Your Excellency, I welcome everybody that is here, and I hope this night will be one of the memorable ones that we will never forget, because all what we are doing is an inclusive networking and inclusive work that everyone is recognized for his or her contribution to whatever we achieved in the last 3 years. I thank you very much for this opportunity. I hope everyone will enjoy this evening. Thank you very much.
The success story of Future Assured Initiative, an initiative that have evolved and thrived in the last 3 years to become a major developmental initiative in this country. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, 3 years ago, a child was born, and this child was named Future Assured. And it is through this child that Her Excellency was able to deliver this wide range of interventions in the areas of health, education, youth empowerment, and women empowerment, which you just watched. It may appear very easy and it may sound very easy, but let me assure you that this 3-year journey has not been without its own challenges, because Future Assured, as a child, needed also to develop its capacity to be able to deliver on its mandate of facilitating the actualization of the vision of Her Excellency. And this was achieved through a series of capacity building, forging a strategic partnership with like-minded partners. So this is how we have been able to build the capacity of this child, who is now behaving like an adult. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we are here tonight to celebrate the 3rd birthday of this child, and to also share with you some of its success and accomplishments. And for me, I will say that this is a well-deserving occasion for the founder of the Future Assured program, the Future Assured team, our partners, and all those who supported us through this 3-year historic and exciting journey. Thank you so much.
Another round of applause for Dr. Mohammed Kamal, the National Coordinator of the Aisha Buhari Foundation that bodies the Future Assured program. Advocacy. Advocacy is the main body on which Future Assured was built. And under advocacy, when we say names like Rosa Parks, Malala Yousafzai, Wangari Maathai, Susan B. Anthony, and Coretta Scott King, all this resonates in women who had strong will and helped other women fight the cause of equality. Her Excellency, the wife of the President, Dr. Mrs. Aisha Muhammadu Buhari, along with other wives of governors and the wife of the Vice President, are all standing for the cause of women in Nigeria. At this moment, we will be having goodwill messages from our partners and stakeholders. I call on Dr. Mrs. Evelyn Ngige, the Director of Public Health of the Ministry of Health. A round of applause for her, please.
The Honorable Minister of Health would have been happy to be at this important occasion. Unfortunately, he cannot be here, so he has asked that I represent him and extend his apologies for not being able to be at this meeting or this program. So I'll just deliver his goodwill message. Your Excellencies, it gives me great pleasure to be part of this gathering of distinguished persons on the commemoration of the 3rd anniversary of the Future Assured program of Her Excellency, the wife of the President. Nigeria has made significant efforts towards improving the health status of her citizens, especially the women and children. Therefore, the launch of the Future Assured program 3 years ago was a welcome development. It is noteworthy that the Future Assured program has focused on improving the health of women and children, in addition to improving their economic and social well-being. This positions our citizens towards contributing to the country's development. The program is also contributing to achieving the vision of this government, which places people at the center of development, and is also working towards ensuring universal health coverage through revitalization of the primary healthcare system, as well as strengthening the community structures. I want to say that we appreciate the wife of the President and the founder of the Future Assured program for contributing to improving the health of our citizens through the Future Assured program. And we congratulate her and her team on their 3rd anniversary. Indeed, the program has matured in spite of the fact that it's only 3 years old. We want to say, please, madam, keep up the good work. Thank you very much. God bless you and God bless Nigeria.
Her Excellency felt it important that people who have been selfless in so many areas, in humanitarian service and the youth platform, to be awarded and to be recognized. And in ways that you can all support them, we should try and give them this support. So we will quickly move into the awards session. Our first awardee is Prince Paul Ikone, who has demonstrated passion and personal commitments to the awareness of drug abuse in various ways. He has also founded KidFest Nigeria, an international foundation with the purpose of catching children young to educate them on the dangers of abusing drugs and the benefits of being drug-free. Congratulations. DSP Abba Kyari. Ms. Abisoyi Abosade Ajayi is the founder of Girl Coding.
The award is being presented. Allow us to invite Hands of Help Initiative representative Angela Anthony to please join us on stage.
Next, Professor Awal Abubakar. A group of doctors who successfully separated a 4 months old conjoined twins. Professor Awal Muhammadu Buhari is the Chief Medical Director of the Federal Medical Center Yola in Adamawa State. The erudite scholar and surgeon has in the past operated successfully on 3 cases of conjoined twins. On May 14, 2018, Professor Awal led another team of 26 medical personnel, including surgeons, on a similar mission to successfully carry out the separation of Fatima and Mariam conjoined twins born in Maiduguri. Kindly move to accept your award. Congratulations.
Our next awardee is a experience in print, radio, wire agency, and digital outlets across Nigeria, South Africa, and the United Kingdom. Rona Meyer.
Represented by Aibe Amodu. Congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, please can we give a round of applause to Augustine Frederick.
Congratulations. We call on Ms. Tobore Overe to receive her award. Please. Ms. Tobore Overe is a health data savvy and solutions-driven investigative journalist. She mainly investigates human rights abuse, corruption, health and regulatory failures, and has biases for developmental stories. Congratulations.
Concerned Mothers is a networking program that brings together women volunteers drawn across religious, political, professional, and social divides. Our next awardee is the founder, Hands of Help initiative, born out of the need to reach out to widows and indigent people in our community. She uses the proceeds from our initiative to provide food, transit homes, clothing, and training for other widows. Ladies and gentlemen, please, can we give Angela Anthony Hands of Help Initiative?
Congratulations.
This magazine, before I unveil it, or before we unveil it, I want to tell you that it's very educative, very informative. It's a magazine that contains, or in short, is a compendium of all the activities of the wife of the present, future assured programs, and with a lot of narrative that will tell you more about what you have not even heard of about future assured. This is the second edition. It's going to be quarterly. We are rounding up this for this year and hoping that by the next quarter we are going to have another one that might be even bigger and more beautiful and contain more than what this has. And I also want to thank you for those that contributed in making this magazine a reality, and also thank all those in our communities, the state and zonal levels that also help us, the wives of governors. In this second edition, we also feature wives of governors activities, just like we did in the last one. So to the glory of God, prosperity of the Future Assured program, and Nigeria as a country, I unveil the magazine.
All of us now one big family. We are one big family. In no means say I be Yoruba. In no means say I be Yoruba. In no means say I be Yoruba. All of us are one for Nigeria. He know me say I be Igbo. He know me say I be Igbo. He know me say I be Igbo. All of us are one for Nigeria. He know me say I be Hausa. He know me say I be Hausa. He know me say I be Hausa. All of us are one for Nigeria. He know me say I be Buhari. He know me say I be Buhari. He know me say I be Buhari. All of us are one for Nigeria.
United we stand, divided we fall.
family. We are one big family. All of us are one big family. Yes, we are one big family.
Future Assured started from humble beginnings out of my passion for the health and well-being of women, children, and other less privileged members of the society. The overriding objective of Future Assured is to contribute to improve outcomes in Nigeria in the areas of health, empowerment, education, and human rights. It is important to note that all Future Assured programs are implemented with resources donated through my foundation called Aisha Muhammadu Foundation. In the last 3 years, some of the key initiatives include the Popular Get Involved, which generated over 200 million worth of goods for the improvement of the nutritional status of malnourished children across the country, especially those that are in Borno in the IDPs. Issues of nutrition have been in development discourse for long. Therefore, we had to contribute to the improvement of nutritional standards among pregnant and lactating mothers in terms of reducing the impact of killer diseases. Health outreach programs were organized in many states of the Federation to create health awareness among women so they can better prevent themselves. These diseases include breast and cervical cancers, diabetes, kidney disease, and hypertension. During these programs, attention of beneficiaries is drawn to the need of good breastfeeding practices, proper nutrition, sanitation, and hygiene, purification of drinking water, and early hospital visits. In terms of sickness, children were also dewormed, checked for oral hygiene and eye problems, and provided dental packs and glasses where necessary. In order to key into government policy of one health center in every ward, we have commenced the construction of maternity complex, with one launched in Daura and another nearing completion in Yola. We intend to build such complexes in every political zones in Nigeria. Ladies and gentlemen, the list of our activities cannot be exhausted. We therefore need to thank all those that have supported us, and we are still enjoying their support, especially our partners without whom we will not have gone far. I want to express our appreciation to our key stakeholders, particularly the UNFPA, the UNAIDS, Stop TB Partnership, Bill and Melinda Gates, World Bank, Society for Family Health, and all those that have been part of our success stories since inception. On my part, I will continue to support the cause of women and children at all times. Thank you very much, and God bless you.